Good morning. Myself, Professor Ken Somonshi. Today we'll see what is ergonomics. Ergonomics is a study of physical characteristic of interaction. That is called as the ergonomics. Means that how the control are designed, the physical environment in which the interaction takes place, and the layout and physical quality of the screen. Okay. In the study of this, that is called as the ergonomics. Example of ergonomics is that, for example, novice user are there. That user doesn't know technical knowledge. Mean that create such system for the novice user. That novice user can easily handle your computer system. Mean that there is a need to understand the interaction between the user and computer system. How that novice user use your system. Okay, that is a need to study of the characteristics of interaction. Look at this figure. Cross sign indicate that interaction is not appropriate, and right sign indicate that interaction is appropriate. Okay, so this is the figure. Cross sign indicate that interaction is not appropriate. Look at this second picture. Uh, some difficulty get occur while lifting the object. Okay, mean that which object or which step is important or easily. Based on that, we can select that best one step. Okay, mean that there is a need to create an interaction in such a way that user can easily handle. And look at this picture, mean that it shows the sitting arrangement, whether the user is the comfort or the not while working the in the environment. And last one is the whether user easily handle that control or the not. Okay, mean that this is a study of interaction characteristics. Okay, so this is called as a ergonomics. Primary focus of ergonomics is that to create the user performance and how the interface enhance the and detract the from the this means that how user can easily use the your system. Okay, set of control should be grouped logically, so has to easy the access and action can be performed faster. For example, in aeroplane system, pilots should have the all the control logically group in one logically group in uh, one section that pilot can easily access that control. So design such control in such way that pilot can use that system. It becomes very crucial when we use the safety critical application such as aviation, plant and control and air traffic control. Okay, so it is very important to design such control that we can avoid the accident, we can avoid the damage. Okay, so there is need to group your control logically in one section. There are some issue. There is a need to study that issue in ergonomics. There are four issues. The first issue is that arrangement of control and display. Second issue that physical environment. Next one health issue, and last one is the use of the color. Now we see the first issue, arrangement of control and display. We consider the perceptual and cognitive issue that affect the way we present information on the screen and provide the control mechanism to the user. For example, perceptual issue means that user have the difficulty to use that particular system. Means that, for example, user thinking power are less, then kind of user are the difference. Okay, so there is a need to understand the perceptual ability of the user. Then some cognitive issue are there. How user can transfer your information. Some user have the difficulty to transfer the information from one location to the another location. Means that there is a need to understand the cognitive thinking of end user. Okay, mean that which kind of the user are there. Then based on that, create a such types of control. Okay. Second point in that set of control and parts of the display should be grouped logically. Okay, to allow the rapid access by the user. Okay, there is a need to group all the control logically. This may not seem so important when we are considering the single user, a spreadsheet on the PC, but it becomes vital when we turn to safety critical applications such as the plant control, aviation and air traffic control. There are some domain and application. We need to concentrate on that domain and application. Functional control and display are organized such that are functionally related and placed together. Okay, means that there is a need to concentrate on functional control. For example, if you have created any GUI, in that GUI there are some functional control. You have to check that that functional control work appropriately or not. Then sequential control and display are organized to reflect the order of the use in typical interaction. Mean that, for example, menu-driven option are there, whether they are sequentially organized or not. That user can easily handle. Frequency control and display are organized according to how the frequently they are. For example, at a time, suppose 50 users are use your website, then it is applicable to the that website or not. Means that if the check the load get increased or not, the performance of the website is accurate or not. Okay, means that there is a need to study this. There is a frequency control, functional control, and sequential control. Second type of issue is that physical environment of the interaction. For example, I here sitting, whether I am comfortable to give the this lecture or not. Okay, means that there is a need to study of interaction. Um, that is the physical environment. Uh, that physical environment concerned with the design of the work environment. Okay, where we will the system be used, by whom will it be used, will user be sitting, standing, or moving about. Okay, it should be there, therefore be considered in all designing. Okay, mean that physical environment considered in all designing. First consideration here is the size of the user. Okay, mean that suppose if you are working in the any company, then to create the size of user, that is a work environment, that individual user, that user can easily complete their work. Then provide the flexibility to the user. User can access easily all the control. In particular, all users should be comfortable able to see the critical display. Means that your screen size should be proper, their brightness should be proper. For long period of use, the user should be seated for comfort and stability. Okay, in that these things need to be understand. Sitting should be provided back support. If the required to stand, the user should be have the room to move around in order to reach all the control. For example, pilot should give the provide a back support, mean that they can easily reach that particular controls. Okay. Third issue is that health issue. That is a very important issue that directly affect the quality of interaction and the user performance. In that, first issue is that physical position. Users should be able to reach all the control comfortably and see all the display. That is a physical control. For example, in your home, there should be switch should be in appropriate position. Okay, mean that not difficulty to on the off the your switch. Then sitting should be provided with the back support. Next, temperature. Although most user can adapt to slight changes in temperature without adverse effect, extreme of hot and cold will be affect the performance and excessive cases in cases of health. Okay, in that some people have the habit to work in AC, and some people have the not habit to work in cold. Okay, so in that create a such kind of environment to that people. Then lighting, one issue is that lighting level will be again depend on the work environment. However, the adequate lighting should be provided to allow the user to see the computer screen without discomfort or eye strain. Mean that adjust the brightness of the screen. Okay, then adjust the setting of the screen. Then noise is a very important issue that comes under the health issue. Excessive noise can be harmful to health. To maintain the noise level in your work environment and use acute cases and loss of hearing, then noise level should be maintained at the comfortable level in the work environment. Noise can be stimulus to the user and can be provide needed confirmation of the system activity. Then time is a very important factor to work according to the time in the organization. Also give the time to the your health. The time users spend using the system should be controlled. Okay, mean that it not be affected on the their health. Okay, so these are the issue. The first three issue, and last one is that use of color. Ergonomics has a close relation to human psychology in that it is also concerned with the perceptual limitation of the humans. Okay, mean that you can use the distinguish different color that user can easily identify the particular interaction or identify the particular application easily. The use of color is a display is an ergonomic issue. The visual system has some limitation with regard to color, including the number of color that are distinguishable and a relatively low blue acuity. Okay, we also saw that relatively high proportion of the population suffer from the deficiency in the color vision. Each of these psychological phenomena leads to the ergonomic guidelines. Okay, some guidelines are there. Colors used in display should be as distinct as possible, and the distinction should be not be affected by changes in the contrast. Blue should be not be used to display the critical information. We use the red color. Then, if color is used as indicator, then uh, it should not be only the Q. That is additional coding information should be included. Okay. Color use should be also concerned to the common convention and user expectation. Red, green, yellow are frequently associated with the stop, go, and standby respectively. Okay, so this is the for issue of ergonomics. Okay, thank you very much.